Hey everyone, it's Nick from Leupold. So rangefinders can seem kind of intimidating sometimes, and you might run into some troubles, but really one of the easiest ways you can start to troubleshoot issues is just by replacing the battery. Most of our models use the CR2 battery, and then some of our models like the 2800 use the CR123A. So I would recommend just getting a new battery, installing it in there. If you have more issues, you could take an eraser on a pencil, kind of get down in there and clean the connections to the battery. So that's the spring down below, and then take the door and clean that as well. So after you're done with your eraser and cleaning the connections, you're going to reinstall your battery plus side up. Then you're going to take the door on this 2800 here. I rotate it in, nice and snug, battery down, and now I'm good to go. On some models like the 1600 here, the door has a slotted system, so you can see a bigger side over here, smaller side there. So once I install the battery, I'm just going to make sure that those align with the slots in the unit. I'm going to firmly press down, make sure they're aligned, and give it a 90-degree turn, and now my battery lid is secure. If you experience any more issues with your rangefinder, you can call our tech service department at 1-800-Leupold, and they're going to walk you through steps to get you up and running, or go on leupold.com for more information about our full line of rangefinders.